Hello YouTubers, I'm Parwiz and this is our 34th video in Qt5 C++ graphical user interface application development. In the previous video we have completed our login and registration system in Qt5. In this video I am going to show you how you can retrieve your data from your Mysql database into a table using QSqlQueryModel. So first of all, what is QSqlQueryModel? It is a high-level interface for executing SQL statements. It is built on top of the lower-level QSqlQuery and can be used to provide data to view classes such as QTableView. So now let me show you an example and you will see that what I mean. So I'm going to create a new file or project, Qt widget application. I call it QueryModel. Click on next and next. I'm going to choose a queue dialog, click on next and finish. Okay, now this is our project files. Let me in the header, first of all, let me in .profile I need to add SQL and save all, and after this in the header file I need to add a QTSql let me just QTSql. Also I need to add QSql Database, and I need a QMessage box also. QMessage box. Now in the private section I'm going to create a QSql Database and I call it database. Also I need a QSqlQueryModel pointers QueryModel. Okay, and after this I'm going to open my dialog.cpp, and here I need to first connect my Qt application with Mysql database. If you don't know about this, you can watch my previous videos. So database, and you can see I have a Mysql database and I have some data. This is from my previous videos from my login and registration project, and I want to use this and I want to retrieve these all data into my table in Qt application. So database, QSql database, add database, and I want it should be, because I'm using MySQL, so QMySQL. Now set your host name. I have my host name is localhost, and database dot set username, it is root. Database dot set password, I don't have any password. Database dot set database name, and my database name is, let me show you, Qt5 register. So I'm going to add this. Okay, now this is my connection. After this I'm going to check if my database is open. Dot open. So I want to execute my queries, and else I want QMessage box, QMessage box information this failed and connection failed. Okay, and at the end let me just close my database in the constructor. So database dot close, not clone dot close. Okay, now if database is open, okay, first of all let me open my form, and in the form I want to add a QTableView. That should be model view, not a item view. So let me just search for QTableView. You can see we have item based and we have model based, so I'm going to bring the model based in here and make it bigger. Okay, you can see my object name is TableView. I don't want to change that. After this, open your dialog.cpp. Now if database is open, I'm going to create a query model. New QSqlQueryModel, like this. And after creating query model, I want to set my query. So query, set query, and I want to select all data from my users table. If you check my database, I have a users table. And after this, it's time to set this query model to our table view. So UI table view, set model, and query model. Okay, before running your application, just run qmake, save all, and also build all your application, and after that we will run our application. So this is our complete code, and you can see if you don't know about this database connection, I have videos on this, that how you can connect your Qt application with Mysql Database, and or how you can connect your application with SQLite. So now I'm going to run this. Now the build is completed and I want to run my application. Okay, now you can see I have my all data. If you check the database, I have 3 data with ID, username, password, email, and phone. And if you check your table, you can see I have ID, username, password, email, and phone. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, don't forget subscription of my channel.